Hello, my name is Gabriel Meridel, and our team is Black Knights. So, this is our humanoid robo. So, first things first, it may not look pleasant to your eyes. See, here lies our concept robots for everyone. We made this at a cheap budget, so that's why it looks not pleasant to the eyes. But it has the features of a human assistant. The features are
It can recognize your face. It can detect your emotions. It recognizes the movement of the people and shakes its head when the people moves. It connects with the phone and you can operate the whole thing with the phone itself with the IP address. For that we have used Java and Python to make the emotion detection. To make the emotion detection and the face recognition, we have used Python. To shake the head, we have used Arduinos.